Beginner's geometry in sixfold starts with a cluster of 7 circles, 6 wrapped around the first circle you drew in the middle. The next layer, wrapping around the same formation, is in red, and you get to it by placing your compass on the intersection points on the outer boundary of that first cluster of circles. The serrated layer is the 4th layer. It's the minimum you need. Carry on wrapping round to build a flower of life. This is a shorter version of that. It's not the full flower of life, but I've connected the dots to connect lines, draw lines, and build a grid of triangles. This is the 4 layers of circles, again connected, and I've done the lines as a grid of triangles. This one is a colour version, but what I have done is added the verticals and the diagonals to create a finer mesh. I think the next slide is really, the next image is about exploring infinity, microcosm and macrocosm, going from smaller to larger, vice versa, but maintaining the same shape. In this one, this exercise would be about pattern extraction, seeing how many varied patterns we can find from the same grid. If I turn it over, I think there's a pattern of stars and hexagons. And you can continue building up layers of circles and connecting lines till you get to this fine isometric grid.